The idea of easy money is a temptation that's hard to resist. No one knows that better than plaintiff attorneys who flood the airwaves and billboards across the country advertising their services and encouraging civil litigation. To help us sort facts from myths about civil litigation is Dr. Robert Hardwig. Thank you for joining us, Doctor.
There are three principal myths associated with civil litigation in the United States today and the costs of that litigation. The first is that if you file a lawsuit, you're going to get a gigantic payout and that these payouts are essentially assured. In reality, it's far from assured. You may get absolutely nothing. But one thing that many people don't know is that the plaintiff's attorney are in this for themselves. They are going to take between 1/3 and 40% of any payout that is made. Now, this leads directly to the second myth that somehow these billions of dollars that are being paid for lawsuits and litigation across the country effectively have no impact on families and on businesses and the economy overall. The reality couldn't be more different. It's been estimated that the average American family pays $3,600 per year in a tort tax. In other words, this is the total cost of funding plaintiffs' litigation throughout the country on an annual basis divided by the number of families that's out there. This is very, very expensive indeed. And so what this means is, again, that the cost of everything is going up as a result of rampant litigation, much of it frivolous throughout the country. It raises the cost of everything from your groceries to the cost of gasoline and everything else in between. And this gets us to essentially the third myth is that your only recourse after you have an accident is to call a plaintiff's attorney. Now, you're probably going to believe that because you see billboards, you see 24/7 advertising on radio and on television, on the internet that urges you to do just that. The reality of it is quite different. In fact, most claims can be settled fairly and expeditiously simply by giving your insurance company a call or speaking to your agent. The insurance company is there for you to provide exactly that service. They are required by law to handle your claim in a both fair and an expeditious manner. So we recommend that that's exactly what you do. And in fact, for more information related to the costs of civil litigation on insurance and much more, we recommend that you go to the website of the American Property Casualty Insurance Association at apci.org.